Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I am going over my empties, my project share for the month of May. So as you guys know, I have been kind of taking a step back from scrapbooking a lot for the past 2 months, just because scrapbooking every single day in March for 30 days of sketches was a lot. And I decided that I would do something different in April, so I did the Traveler's Notebook, and then for May, I decided to finish a project that I have been wanting to finish. And so I went ahead and I have this box, like you guys see, and this one is just my month by month, which I probably will take everything out of this and use it for one of my collection kits that I have been putting together. And I just have to get a few more of these for my room. And so anyways, I went ahead and I finished a lot of things. So I finished the main project that I wanted to do. So I wanted to show you guys kind of my empties, what I have left over, and also my month in review for 2020, because that was my big project that I wanted to finish, and I got all the photos printed out, and yeah, I finished it, and I'm super happy with the results. So let me go ahead and put this off to the side, and let me show you guys my empties. So the empties, besides the empty, which I'll show you guys, I have a couple empties. So these ones are just from the projects that the layouts that I worked on. So I have one big sheet of Celebrate Easter from Echo Park. I cannot believe I got this whole one done. I got a empties of Rosie Studios Dream in Color paper flowers, Simple Stories Happy Heart puffy stickers, Scrap and Happy Studio epoxy flares. I've been going through these a lot lately, so I'm really happy with my purchase from her. And then I did finish a packet. I think there was just like one little stem, which I'll show you guys in my layouts, from the Bungalow Lane from Paige Evans. And then I also finished another sheet of stickers. This is actually not a sticker. It's like on there, like literally. It wasn't cut out, so I'm not including that. But this one is the Just Be You. I used this collection along with another paper pad, which I'll show you guys, for my month in review for 2020. And I am happy to say that I have finished that off. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stickers or embellishments used up. I also used a lot of, this is going to be really hard to see, but I used a lot of enamel dots in my stash. So I'm trying to like get them all out, but this is like, some of them only had like 1 or 2 left on them, but this is a lot. Let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of these things used up. So pretty good on the using up these stuff. I don't know why there's beads in there. I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. Now I'll go over my layouts. So the first layout I have here, I don't think, oh, we're missing something. I don't think I have, missing a B somewhere. It has to be in here somewhere. I will find it later. I don't think I have any process videos for any of these. Some of them I just did kind of off the camera and just had some fun. So this is using a lot of Rosie Studios. There are the flowers that I had. I also have a little like pendant right there, and just really cute layout. And I have to find the B for that one, because that is besties. All right, this one right here is using a lot of Paige Evans. I used a mixture of her, I think it's Scenic Route, and then there is the flowers from the Bungalow Lane that I just kind of added onto the page. And then I also have some like little what are these things called? Like little, oh gosh, paper clips. But really, really cute. I love this one. There's some enamel dots and some hearts. Just really a cute thing. And you guys can tell the paper is kind of warped because I've been using liquid glue instead of my normal glue, but that's okay. So I have that one. I have this one right here is using the new Vicki Boutin, and I love how this one turned out. I have some epoxy flare on there. I have this little like, I don't know why, oh, that's from the side. This is from the Echo Park new collection, Play All Day, I think. And then the rest is all Vicki Boutin's new collection. Oh, and I think that one too is from the same collection. Really love this. I got some of the Scrap and Happy Studio Flare on there. And I just love this, how bright this collection is. It's so cute. So I have that one. So that is number 3. And then I also have this one is for International Scrapbooking Day. I decided to play with the new Heidi Swap collection called Sun Chaser. I have some epoxy flare on there, so of course have to have that. And then all of this is from the collection, which I think is so cute. I just love, this is when we went to, oh gosh, South Carolina this last year. So this will go into my, I'm doing like a month in review for 2021 as well. And that's going to be a little bit different because my style is going to be just like a layout, like pick one layout for 2 layouts for the month at least. And, you know, kind of just talk about it. But yeah, so that is number, what is that, number 4? Here is another one. This is using the Bunnies and Blooms collection by Simple Stories. And then I also use some flare. And this little word piece right here is actually from Scrap and Happy Studios as well. So I have some flare, and one of her little things just match perfect with this. And this is documenting, I think, 2019 Easter, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So that's Easter. So that is number 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's number 4. No, 5. And so this is number 6. This one right here is probably my favorite for this month. Besides, I really like the Vicki Boutin one as well. But this is using a technique that I've seen a lot of, where you just take one punch. And then this is from Pick Me Up, I think, from Pink Paisley, which is Paige Evans as well. And I have some flare, of course, and then just like some of this collection just kind of sprouted around. I have a sheet of all these like gold hearts, and I have been, here they are right here, I have been cutting them up and fussy cutting and just using them like crazy. It's so nice to have those like little pieces. So really love how this one turned out. And so that is it, guys. Now I can show you guys my 2020 in review. And it's gonna go pretty fast because it is kind of already created, or like already done. Let me see if I can get this in frame for you guys. It's already, you know, there's really nothing to it, but this is just what it is. So here is the front page. You guys have seen this, I believe. It wasn't finished, so I just added some 2020. I added this bow that went really like perfect with it. It is pretty layered, but I just really like it. And then I did do some stitching in pink around. So I love how that one turned out. Super cute. So that'll be the front cover. And so here is the first page, and you guys have seen this one because this one was actually done already. I just added some, like, I used enamel dots on here like crazy, some gems. I just went like crazy with the embellishments. And so this is kind of the layout for each month. and I switch it up somewhat. So really love how this one turned out. And I'm excited to put this into an album and journal about each month. So that'll probably be something that I need to do next because I am really bad with journaling. So this is February. Here's March. I have this covered up because it's just, you know, privacy reasons. I have like some of these. These are like things that I used, like these little gems, and just, I don't know. I just went nuts with all the different things. So, and then this is for April. I added, like I said, some stickers. Like you guys can just see, I went very minimum with this, with the embellishments, but I really like how it turned out. And here is May. And I think I had up to July done, I want to say. I think I maybe had this one done. June, I think, yeah, for sure. Yeah, because I remember I had the bike on there. But a lot of those hearts got on here. Those are from Hobby Lobby. Here's the next one. So this is when I finished 75 hard. And we went on a girls trip and just started working on the house. A lot of that stuff. So here's the next one. Had some, you know, fun dates with friends. Our floor got redone. We actually had somebody come in and redo the floor, and it was a lot because we had to replace the whole door. So yeah. And then the next one here is September. Was that October? September, August, September. Okay. It's like, wait a minute. What month are we on? But so we did some things for that. I started my 75 hard phase 1, I think. We had new furniture, went to the zoo, just a lot of different things. Here's the next one, October. Family, friends, a lot of things. And then November, just Stella's birthday. And then here is December. So I kind of changed the format a little bit towards the end of these because I realized that my photos weren't the same sizes as these. This is from my printer, and these are the ones that I got done, and I didn't get like the border around it. So that's fine, but there's that one. And then this one, I did the cutout of the paper, which you guys can see, like there's a little like right there, but that's okay. And then I just basically took a little bit of words and I just went ahead and like put, you know, things that really stuck out to me, like work from home, COVID-19, FaceTime, a lot of FaceTime, masks, new floors, Ocean City trips, at home, South Carolina trips, a lot of family time, you know, just like fun things like that I really think about. So I am super glad, guys, that I have finished this whole thing. So I am going to put this into an album and do my journaling on it, which I'm super excited about. And then let me show you guys what I have left over from this collection and kind of my thoughts about it. Because I think I am done. I think I'm going to pass this stuff along. I have these little like air balloons that I have, but I'm just not, I don't know, there's just not into it. I probably will keep like a few maybe for my stash. And I have like some, I don't know what I was thinking when I made these, but I don't really care for them that much. So they're like homemade chipboard. So I have that. I have some pocket cards that I'm just going to pass along because I really don't need them. And then I have all this paper. So this paper is a little bit thin, and so I probably will just pass it along, like the big sheets, maybe not so much the little sheets because they're just, I don't know. So yeah, this is all these scraps, so I will do something with those. They're not going to go in my stash. They're either going to get donated, or I'm going to you know, recycle them because they are very thin. So I have a lot of scraps left over from this, which is fine. I mean, I kind of thought that I would. And then this was the paper pad. So I don't really think I'm going to keep any of these sheets of paper. It's just not my style anymore. And I don't know, just not into it. So this Hello Darling is going. Paper Studios, $14.99. That's crazy. It used to be $14.99. Now they're $21.99. And I can only imagine what it's going to go up to soon after, you know, they start clearancing out their stuff like they already are. So anyways, I'm going to do that, and then that's it, guys. I am super happy that I was able to get some things used up. I was able to finish a big project of mine and completely finish it, besides just journaling. That's about it. So I just need to go back and journal, and then that's it, guys. Like, I'm super happy. I have this box so that way I can do something with it. And I probably will start keeping my 30 days of sketches for June, because that is going to be my next 2021 album, like, month in review. So like I said, I'm going to be doing it a little bit different. I'm going to be doing it like, you know, a layout, or two pages a month. And so we'll go from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm super happy with the progress that I made. Even though I didn't really feel like I scrapbooked a lot, I did get a lot done. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.